Remember the days when vacations were vacations? When you would travel with your friends or family to a far-off resort and create memories. The good news, that place still exists at Bird's Nest Resort, Put-in-Bay. Lodging options include double rooms and king rooms, standalone 2 and 3-bedroom cottages, all including access to the pool and outdoor pavilion for our guests. Bird's Nest Resort is centrally located to all the attractions of Put-in-Bay and South Bass Island. Bird's Nest Resort, Put-in-Bay, your getaway on your getaway.